Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to import a DXF into OrCAD PCB Designer Standard or Allegro. So go to import in the OrCAD PCB software, then MCAD DXF. If you have your DXF file saved somewhere, you can just click here to locate it. I'm going to import a rectangle into the etch layer or the copper layer of my PCB. Set your DXF units. You can choose inches, millimeters, anything you want. And then choose fill shapes is what I'm going to go with. You don't have to change this .cnv file unless you have one created already. Now choose edit or view layers. Select the layer that you want to import. This will be DXF layer 0. Then I'm going to set this to something like etch, and the subclass will be the top layer inside that etch class. I'm not going to change anything here because this is required for like mapping different layers, one layer to the next, so you don't need to do anything. Yes, we'll overwrite the existing conversion file, hit import, and click close. Now you can zoom in by scrolling up or down, however you have your configuration set. Notice that there are two shapes here. If you click, hold, and drag one to the side, this is the slightly smaller shape. I'm not sure why it does that, but that's how it works. You can choose to delete it, of course, so click on here and then right click and choose done, and that imports your DXF shape to the proper layer.